How to contact virtual staff support for assistance. At VirtualStaff.ph, we are committed to ensuring that both employers and talents have a smooth and hassle-free experience on our platform. Whether you need help with hiring, payments, disputes, or general inquiries, our support team is here to assist you. Here's how you can reach out to us. 1. Email us for support. The quickest way to get in touch with our team is by sending an email to support@virtualstaff.ph. When emailing us, please include the following details for a faster response: your registered email address on VirtualStaff.ph, a brief description of your issue or concern, any relevant screenshots or supporting information. 2. Use the contact page. You can also reach out by sending a message through our contact page on the VirtualStaff.ph website. 3. When should you contact support? You can contact our support team for assistance with hiring and talent issues. Need help finding the right talent or resolving issues with an existing hire? We're here to assist. Payment and billing concerns. Have questions about payments, refunds, or billing? Reach out for quick resolution, dispute resolution. If there's a disagreement between you and a talent, we can help mediate. Technical issues, facing trouble with your account or platform features? Let us know and we'll fix it. General inquiries? Have any other questions about how VirtualStaff.ph works? Our team is happy to help. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.